Okay, good morning. Today we are going to be making a marble run out of cardboard and also popsicle sticks. Popsicle sticks are a great resource to keep around. When you're finished with them, just go ahead and rinse them off and save them for later. They are high in fiber. Beavers find them delicious, and they're also very useful. So whenever you have an extra popsicle stick, set it aside. In order to make our popsicle sticks a little bit more appealing, we are going to go ahead and use some Sharpies over here, some markers in order to decorate them, to color them up to make our marble run pop a little bit more. We have glue sticks and our glue gun. And then we also have some cups that we're going to attach to the bottom where we will see where the marbles end up. Now, we are looking for a fun and exciting way to go ahead and add a few more chores into our day. So this marble run, I am going to go ahead and make into a chore marble run. And where the marbles end up, that's going to be the chores that we do. So I hope you enjoy watching this, and I will go ahead and let you know how it all turns out. Okay, so I have colored with various colors of markers 20 popsicle sticks. I think that should be sufficient for a box this size. If not, I'll go ahead and color a few more. The next step for me to do, since I'm just going to be doing it inside this box, is to go ahead and start placing these out where I would like them. The more you have, the more random it's supposed to be. So we'll go ahead and try that out. I'll be using the hot glue to glue these down. And then I think after, I will go ahead and attach the cups down here. Some of the instructions have said to do the cups first. I'll play around and see how I feel. And so we'll be moving on to the next step in just a minute or two. So we have finished the marble run. We finished the maze that has a bunch of inclined planes connected. After gluing the 20 that I had colored down, I realized that there weren't enough. So I started to break the popsicle sticks apart in order to make it a little bit more random as they descend. My assistant is going to go ahead and start putting marbles down so you can see how they go, and put them in different places as you let them go, and you can do it quickly. As you can see, it travels down randomly. At the bottom, instead of cups, I decided to make numbers for where the marbles would go. As they go through, you can see they head towards different areas. Number 4 is the hardest to get into, and so when we start to make our chore list, I think we'll make number 4 a very big reward. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to choose 2 rewards and then 4 chores. And as we roll the marbles down, then what number they land on is the chore that we're going to do. And so each day during our chore time, we can go ahead and pick a chore randomly this way. So it turned out pretty well. If I was going to do it again, I would make probably an area where all of the popsicle sticks were running vertically up and down, or just slightly at an angle. I think that would help to randomize the effect a little bit more. So you can see we did get 1, 5. 2s we usually get a little bit in. The 1s, 3s, and 6s are pretty common. So this is how it turned out for us. If you do make it, make sure you snap a photo and share what you built on Flipgrid. Have a great day. Bye-bye.